Video, I'm going to show you how you can add a blank page in Google Docs. So you can add a blank page at the beginning, towards the end, or anywhere else in the document. So for example, here I have a document with multiple pages, and I want to add a blank page after the very first page like this. So I want to make sure that this second page is empty. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you need to do is click on the second page. You have to place the cursor at the very top, at the very first piece of content of that page, like that. So after that, you have to go to the insert menu and then go to break. Click page break. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and Enter, while for Mac users, you probably want to use the shortcut Command plus Enter. Anyway, let's click on that. And now this new page has been created. So this is the first page, and this is the second page. As simple as that. And the same thing is also true if you want to add a new page before the very first page. You have to place the cursor right here at the very top, and then press Ctrl plus Enter. And there you go. Now you have another page before the very first page. So that's basically how you can do that. And if you want to add another page at the very end, the process is the same. Just press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Enter, and a new page will be created. So that's basically how you can create a blank page anywhere in your Google Docs document. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.